Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your online teacher, Ishfaqsamoon. Uh, this lecture is for uh, students of class ninth from book Political Science and Democratic Politics 1. Uh, Major topic is chapters 2, Constitutional Design, and subtopic is Constitution. Uh, you can contact me at my email ID samoonishpakunjam@gmail.com and my cell number 7889425720. Major topic, as we know, chapter 2, constitutional design. Subtopic, constitution, is for students of class 9 affiliated to Jammu and Kashmir Board of School Education and Central Board of School Education. Aims and objectives. The main aim and objective of teaching this topic in class 9th is to make students aware of the constitutional design, which lays the procedures for the formation of a government and defines the distribution of power among various organs of the government. Lecture first. Let's get started. Democratic Constitution in South Africa. This quotation of Nelson Mandela. I have fought against white domination and I have fought against black domination. I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It is an ideal which I hope to live for and to achieve. But if needs be, it is an ideal which I am prepared to die. Nelson Mandela. He and seven other South African leaders were sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964 for daring to oppose the apartheid regime in his country. He spent 28 years in South Africa's most dreaded prison, Robben Islands. Struggle against apartheid. Apartheid was the name of a system of racial discrimination unique to South Africa. The white Europeans imposed this system on South Africa during the 17th and 18th centuries. The trading companies from Europe occupied it with arms and force in the way they occupied India. But unlike India, a large number of whites had settled in South Africa and became the local rulers. The system of apartheid divided the people and labeled them on the basis of their color. The native people of South Africa are black in color. They made up three-fourths of the population and were called blacks. Besides these two groups, there were people of mixed races who were called colored and people who migrated from India. The white ruler treated all non-whites as inferiors. The non-whites did not have voting rights. The apartheid system was particularly oppressive for the blacks. They were forbidden from living in white areas. They could work in white areas only if they have a permit. Trains, buses, taxis, hotels, hospitals, schools, colleges, libraries, uh, cinema halls, theaters, beach, swimming pools, public toilets were all separate for the whites and blacks. They could not even visit churches where the whites worshipped. Blacks could not form associations or protest against the terrible treatment. Learning outcome. Teaching this topic will make the students aware of their rights enshrined in the Constitution. The students will be made aware of their rights and duties as well as the privileges and also fundamental rights given to the people. Part first of this topic is completed. We will do the assessment after completing the second part. Well, students, with this, we have completed first part of this lecture. We'll meet in next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to like, comment, share, uh, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks. Allah.